Thanks for being here, y'all. This is Heavenly Divine, and I'm coming at you with a tutorial video. For those who are already familiar with my channel, timestamps below. So I am switching the vibes up on y'all a little bit, and I'm going to be teaching you a little bit about the tarot. So in this video, we're going over tarot face card star signs, also known as court cards. The rules for the poker cards are different, and that is on another video. Some people don't know the characters on these cards have astrology signs, planet nodes, and numbers that they're ruled by. I noticed watching others read online and in person, many people don't know the face card accurate sun signs. And it will take no time for me to show you these character signs. So let me teach you so you can teach others. Now, why they are assigned these placements will be in an extended video found in my Patreon, and I'll tell you more about that at the end of this video. So get ready and let's begin. Starting off on the air suit, also known as spades. So on the left we have the Knight of Swords. On the right is the Page of Swords. And in this rule thus far alone, the Knight and the Page are the same. Their sun sign is Gemini. They're gems. They're the twins, Gemini. They're Gemini. And when I am reading people, I will say all of the air signs. I'll say Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, but I'll specify this character in this card is a Gemini. About 80% will hit home that the current is thinking of a Gemini, and about the other 20% will be the rest of the other star signs. So they are Geminis, and let's head on over to the Queen of Swords. Queen of Swords is a Libra. She is a Libra, and you do hear people read, they will say all the star signs wanting to be secure and safe, and they'll say Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. But I do, when I read people, I specify and let them know that the character in the card is a Libra, and you see her sword right there, the butterflies, her hand out for justice. She is a Libra. So just know her sign, get it straight, don't forget it. If you want to know why, the extended class is in my Patreon in the description of this video below. But for now, she's a Libra, and let's head on over to the King. Okay, we're going to run through the rest of this lesson because it is a quick one. And the King of Swords is an Aquarius. An Aquaman, an Aqua. He is Aquarius. High value, ethical, humanitarian, Aquarius. All right, next suit. The next suit is within water. And here on the left, we have the Knight of Cups. And on the right is the Page of Cups. And remember that within this rule alone, the Knight and the Page are the same. They are both Cancers. The snappy crab that pinches the pennies, they're Cancers. The Queen of Cups is a Pisces. She is a Pisces. And notice all around her, her watery realm, where the water is turbulent, though she remains calm. And at her feet are river petals, and the cloak, the veil that she wears, right behind her dress that she's sitting on looks like fish scales, like the end of a mermaid tail, and her cup is the most elaborate and elegant cup of the queens because she is the Queen of Cups and she is a Pisces. King of Cups, also known as the King of Hearts. He is a Scorpio. Yep, you heard it right. Totally correct. And you need to get it right. Quit fucking up. The King of Cups is the Scorpion King. And they don't call him the Scorpion King for nothing. He holds it down. The King of Cups, that's the Scorpion King right there. Within this rule alone, the Page on the left, the Page of Wands, and the Knight of Wands on the right, they are both the same, and they are both Aries. Hot, fiery, spicy Aries. The Aries. Message. They Aries. Queen of Wands, also the Queen of Clubs, is a Leo. She's easy to remember. There's yellow all over her card. Right in the front is the little black cat, which represents her dark side. She sits on a throne that's got the lion head on them. The sunflower that is popular, that represents Leo and the sun, and behind her are lions. And she is a Leo. Wow. King of Wands is a Sagittarius, and I would like to take a moment to point out to you the salamanders all over his throne. Salamanders are known for starting fires, spit firing, putting out fires, running through fires. They're like fireproof, which is a metaphor for this man's energy, that he has this everlasting energy, sort of like a energizing bunny, where he's always going. And if you do talk to someone with dominant Sagittarius energy, they will tell you that they never stop. So there's salamanders all over his throne, and some decks, it will be within his outfit, but he is a Sagittarius. The Page of Pentacles, Page of Pennies on the left, the Knight of Pentacles on the right. Within this rule, only this rule, they are the same. They are both Capricorn. The hardest working earth sign within the suit and the slowest working earth sign within the suit. Slow and steady wins the race, Capricorn. The Queen of Pentacles, and as we observe her, she has a luscious, beautiful, scenic background with a mountain view. She has a archery above her with roses, luxuries and abundance, and bunnies all around her. And she is a Virgo. I'm recording this, and it's the first day of Virgo season. The Queen of Pentacles is a Virgo. Notice how she has her mind on her money on her mind. She's got her eyes on her pentacle. She counts the pennies. She pays attention to the little things. She's a Virgo. Kingpin, also known as the King of Diamonds, is a Taurus. He was a Taurus. And to help jog your mind, if your cards have imagery on them, all over his throne is a head of a bull, because if you fuck with the bull, you get the horns. At the top of his throne, you have an archery as well. His clothes are within his world, the most expensive that you could find. He's at the rooftop, and he's doing his favorite activity, which is pinching his pennies and being surrounded around his abundance and his luxuries that he worked hard for himself. If you look behind him, you can see his home that he is not too far from. You can actually see it from where he is, signifying that he's worked long and hard on something. He's a Taurus. Thank you for joining me for this tutorial, and I hope to see you in future tutorials and classes. I hope you have learned something. If you want to dive deeper and learn why the tarot court cards are assigned their star sign placements, please look in the description of this video below. I have a link to my Patreon, where I am hosting my divine classes. The monthly subscription is $3.99. The extended video of this course telling you why the tarot cards have each star sign is posted complimentary. There are other classes ranging from beginner to advanced, starting from complimentary to affordable to high value. A nice way of saying free, cheap, and expensive. If you like my style of reading and would like a personal video focusing solely on your energy, my email is down below. Pass this information along. I'll see you in the next video. Poker face cards.